Hello, in this video we are going to take a look at system calls in assembly. So we actually can use the Linux based system call. So if you use Linux, you're a developer on there, or some sort of IT guy, then you probably are aware of the system calls or some of them. And the general format of your application should be like this. You basically put the system call, yeah, fine. I'm gonna put a dash. System call in EAX register, which is what we've got here. And there's a comment here that the default comment says for the system right, and we can go to this table. You can just Google Linux system calls, and you'll get a table up, and there'll be plenty of websites covering all of this. And so for is saying there's gonna be some sort of write operation occurring. Then what you do next is you store any values you have in the following registers. So the registers that you have available to use after EAX is EBX. It will vary slightly depending on what sort of OS you're using, and say 2-bit, 64-bit, 64-bit instead of E, it's also be RAX, RBX, but the principle is the same. 16-bit, I think it's AX and BX. But again, the overall principle is the same. And ECX, EDX, and we've used up to these in general, and we've even used ESI. I don't know if we've used EDI in these videos. We may have. I know we've used ESI and EBP as well. So these will be the registers that you use, so as you can see right here. So in EBX we specified that we are going to put it's going to be some sort of standard output. Then in ECX here there was the value that we are going to print out, then the length of it as well, and we just continue going down the registers as we need more. And next what we do is we call the interrupt. So the general kernel core is 80H, but there are other interrupts as well. I recommend as an extra task that you research more of them, but this will be the main one. And then finally, any result is from what has occurred is stored in the EAX register for the first one. So if you did some sort of arithmetic calculation, which you can check out the arithmetic section in this series, then you will have seen that the result got stored in EAX. And that is it. So if we go to this table again, number 1 means exit. You need that at the end of the application. As you can see, we have it right here. So if we was to remove that, what would happen? Because technically there's no more code after it, we are getting memory based errors, and we could get other errors as well. So make sure you call that at the end of the application. So there's 2 extra tasks that I want you to partake in. First one is check out other interrupts and how you can use them. And the second task, combined with what you've learned throughout this series, actually check out some of these other system calls and try and implement them. But if you have any questions and you need any help, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.